So you watch my video and you want to make a decision about should I be an affiliate with LiveGood? Why don't you guys just take a ride? Because I really don't try to over explain this opportunity. I do enjoy making videos here if you're watching these, but at the end of the day, on a street level, I just point people to my website, which is either pleasewatchvideo.com, or in this case, if you're watching my video, just look at my screen. Okay, when you get to the LiveGood opportunity, put your name and your email address in, pleasewatchvideo.com. When you get here, go through the shop, okay, because this is our products. I want you to really believe in the products first. I don't want you doing this, believe it or not, just thinking I'm going to make money. How do I do it? Do I press a button? Where's my laptop and Lamborghini? If you really believe in these products first, and you realize this is not an MLM that's kind of embarrassing. These are honest to gosh wholesale products for a membership fee, $10 a month, $100 a year. It's up to you. I don't make a dime more or a dime less. It's just up to you if you have $100 to get 2 free months. But if you're here, go through the products. Then go to the bottom left of the page if you're on a home computer or on your cell phone and see where it says pay plan. Take your time and do the best you can to understand it. Okay, there's 6 ways to make money. This video is not about that. This one I'm just kind of going through a really short walkthrough on what I want you to do. Take your own initiative and just take your time. Relax. It's better this way. I can make a million videos about this opportunity, and most people after 10 seconds, they just click it off and look for other things. But take your time. Just try your best to really understand what this is first. And then you can look at my video. I got hundreds of videos. There's other people that make really good videos about the LiveGood experience. But I just feel that if you just go in, kick the tires, sit in the car, open the sunroof, check out the stereo. Do you like the color? Do you like the performance, the gas mileage? I look at LiveGood as you're kind of test driving a truck or a car, a motorcycle or a go-kart or a skateboard, okay? I just want to leave you alone. You get comfy, put on some badass slippers. I honestly do, just to prove it. When I make video, I've got these slippers on from Walmart. I paid $7, and they're probably cheaper now because we're going into summer. And they don't really focus on slippers in the summertime. Take your time. Have a good time. Relax. There's no pressure with me. If you're going to join, you're going to join. If not, not. I'd rather just slap high five and be friends on this video. And if you don't want to do the opportunity, I get it. But if you want to buy some awesome products, that's cool as well. So, all right, if you got $40, one-time fee, you can be an affiliate. If you got $10 a month, you can buy some awesome products. And if you got $100, you can save 2 months. They give you $20 off for the whole year. So anyway, you guys take care, and I thank you for watching my videos. Here's the next one right here. Just click this.